Bangkok, Thailand. Bangkok is a crazy and chaotic city that can easily bewitch you. However, I think that it's possible to see it running at the top speed only after the sun goes down. You can smell the traditions, the habits, the old mixing with the new, and most of all, the vices. Bangkok's nightlife is astonishing, with a quantity of parties, live acts, gigs, performances, exhibitions, celebration, and whatever going on every night, every hour. So, after weeks of celebrating hard any given night of the coming new year, going to parties after parties and more after parties, well, we decided that it was time to jump on the bike and take a break from the city, heading towards somewhere calm and close to relax and recharge a bit. My cafe racer motorbike, the Beast of Bangkok number 2, drove us to Koh Si Chang. The small island is the closest to Bangkok, being only 100 km far away. Once a royal beach retreat, Koh Si Chang now looks like a fishing village with a mild and placid atmosphere. We are halfway going to Koh Si Chang. We already don't understand each other very well. And this is the middle of nowhere in Thailand. The island has a pretty weird mixing of all sorts of things in real Thai style. As soon as we got on the coast, we had the chance to meet new wild and massive friends just on the main road, as well as going through interesting natural and spontaneous phenomena and get in touch with the history of waste management of the place. That's the beautiful island of Koh Si Chang. Here it's just 1.5 hours far from Bangkok. We found a very nice spot here. Look at these beaches. This is amazing. So now Senya is going to explain us what a PT is living in Thailand. Come on, tell us. Huh? Why you don't like living in Thailand, baby? So explain me what you're doing. You're drinking beer, having your aperitif, right? With the panorama here. Wow, it looks good, baby. Do you like it? Yes or no?
Yes, I like it. I think I like it.
She thinks she likes that. Well, Russia is better now, no?
Yeah, sure.
What's the weather in Russia now?
-10.
-10? Okay. Wow, I would love to go there now.
No.
Yeah, sure. -10. Hello. We came to a traditional Thai restaurant. This one, we ordered some fish. That dog here. How are you? Good? He had some of this fish. Now he's digesting it. So, we got our dish. Is it good? Oh, but you're eating shrimp. It's easy. Come on, eat something. Eat this. Come on. Okay, I want you to eat this.
No, you hold it.
No, no, no.
Yeah,
It's,
yeah.
there is a sort of, what is this, a plant, an animal? Fuck me. Yeah.
I don't like it.
You want to eat it? No, I want you to try. Come on,
Sure.
come on, try. Try. Eventually, after our last romantic walk under the nuclear plant of the island, it was already time to go back home. So then we had to say goodbye to our friends, wild pigs, geckos, illegal breeding abusivism and fried seafood to go back to the city and its brutal urban charm.